Welcome to infyGyan friends. Today in this video we have another very interesting question from algebra. We have to solve degree 4 equation for all possible 4 solutions, real or complex. So let's get started. I will write 8x minus 3 to the right hand side first. So equation will become x power 4 minus 2x square equal to 3 minus 8x. Now my objective is to create perfect squares on both the sides. So I will be adding 1 to LHS and RHS. This will create one perfect square in left hand side, which is x square minus 1 whole square. But in right hand side we are getting 4 minus 8x. And if I will take 4 common out, then we'll be getting 1 minus 2x, which is not perfect square of any number. So we will reject this method. Now I will rewrite our equation x power 4 minus 2x square equal to 3 minus 8x. This time I will be adding 4x square to both sides. So plus 4x square plus 4x square. We will get x power 4 plus 2x square in LHS, and we will get 4x square minus 8x plus 3 in RHS. Now we have to add 1 to both sides, so that we'll get x square plus 1 whole square in LHS. What about RHS? We'll take 4 common, but 3 plus 1 is 4. Let me write 4x square minus 8x plus 4. 4 is common. So in the bracket there would be x square minus 2x plus 1. Now 4 is a square of 2 and x square minus 2x plus 1 is a square of x minus 1. So we can write equation x square plus 1 whole square equal to 2 square in bracket x minus 1, and then we have a square. Now we have perfect squares on both the sides. Let me write here x square plus 1 whole square equal to 2x minus 2 whole square. Because we know that a power c times b power c can be written as a times b whole power c, which we have applied over here. Now I will write all the terms to LHS. So x square plus 1 whole square minus 2x minus 2 whole square equal to 0. Now we will use difference of two squares formula. A square minus b square equal to a plus b times a minus b. So we will write our equation x square plus 1 plus 2x minus 2. This is a plus b, or x square plus 1 minus 2x plus 2. This is a minus b equal to 0. Now we will simplify both the brackets and get x square plus 2x minus 1 in first bracket, and in second bracket x square minus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Now we can use product 0 rule. We will get either x square plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0, or x square minus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. So we have two quadratic equations which we'll be solving using quadratic formula method. So let us write formula first. X equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. As per our first equation, a will be coefficient of x square 1, b is coefficient of x 2, c is constant -1. So we will get x equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 2 square minus 4 times 1 times minus 1 over 2 times a. So 2 times 1, which will be equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 4 plus 4 over 2. 4 plus 4 is 8. So we will write minus 2 plus minus square root of 8 over 2. Square root of 8 can be written as 2 root 2. So we will write minus 2 plus minus 2 root 2 over 2. Now we will divide numerator by 2 and we will get minus 1 plus minus square root 2. So we have first two real solutions, minus 1 plus root 2 and minus 1 minus root 2. Now we have second quadratic equation, x square minus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Let's solve. X square minus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. We will write a equal to 1, b equal to -2 and c equal to 3. As per formula, it is minus b. So minus of minus 2 plus minus the square root of b square. So minus 2 square minus 4 times 1 times 3 over 2 times 1. Minus times minus becomes plus. So 2 plus minus the square root of minus 2 square is 4 minus 4 times 3 is 12 over 2 will be equal to 2 plus minus square root of minus 8 over 2. Now we know that square root of minus 1 is complex number I. So we will write here 2 plus minus I times square root 8 is 2 root 2 over 2 will be equal to 1 plus minus I times root 2. So we have two complex solutions. So if I will write all the four solutions, then I can write x1 would be 1 plus I root 2, first complex solution. X2 would be 1 minus I root 2. Then we have x3 minus 1 plus square root 2. And we can write x4 minus 1 minus square root 2. Two real and two complex solutions. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.